Okay, I think we're getting close. Hold on. Is this it or not? I'm looking. Yeah, there it is. It's still doing it at the very bottom. See?
This one right here, the
big round one across the way. See how it's uplit?
Wait, which one? This one here? In the foreground or all the way back? It is lit at the bottom.
Doesn't it? See, I'm gonna go find that out.
You think it's reflection from the water, or is it?
Well, that's the thing. Where's the sun coming from that spot? So we know it's not the sunlight from the evening. This is like noon. And I was out here at 5 o'clock yesterday.
Interesting.
Yeah, park ranger said I could do this. So. These are slick on the wet spots, so be very careful. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's still glowing. This is pretty impressive.
Yeah, something is going on.
Isn't that gorgeous? I don't want to scare off the fairies or whatever they are, but I do want to find out what's up.
Okay, there's definitely something white at the base that's glowing. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There's
like uplit like a pool.
Yeah.
Like a swimming pool has.
There was like light bulbs in the, in the base of the freaking.
Yeah.
You see how there's literally on the left and the right, it looks like there's like a little light bulb.
Uh-huh. Let's see. I'm checking the depth. See where it's gonna go above the ankle. I am going to get a wet foot. Definitely get a wet foot trying to get to it. Okay, I'll let you look. I think I figured it out, but it is gorgeous though.
Okay, we need to figure it out. Shit, please don't fall. You hit your head.
Get all wet.
Let me get out of your way.
No, I'm getting. Okay, you can go. You can go over there if you want.
No, now you're making me nervous after the marshmallow file. Okay, what's going on?
The water, there's like maybe an algae or moss, and the water's wetted, and so the reflection you're getting is just skylight. It's not sunlight. It's just like a mirror.
So did you see something stuck on there?
No.
Algae or something?
Well, you can tell because of how shiny it is. It holds the moisture.
Yeah, much more than other things.
You see at the very edge of the water where it comes up and down on the right?
Yep.
It's holding moisture.
Yeah, but specifically in 2 or 3 spots, like more than the rest.
Right.
Like it's not even.
Yeah, it's like a reflection of the reflection.
They really look like 2 or 3 like little tiny LED lights.
I wonder if I can go this way.
I'm thinking you already got as close as you should.
Oh, I'm going to try it anyway. What, Miss Rule Breaker?
Some things are better left just as mysteries of nature. What do you want? Some kind of chemical, like,
No, but what if you find a magical cure of something? Excuse me. You never know. Never know. Just getting a different angle on it. Yeah, you get over here, you don't see it as much. How cool is this? Optical illusion. It's like the reverse of an oasis. Perfect shot. Yeah, it's not shining, but you can see white. Like it still looks white just from like a fine powder. Wow. Okay, I'll show you the picture when I go over there. And no other rocks do that. Oh yeah, but it was only this deep. That's the neat thing about having a stick, right?
Yeah.
Put your stick in it first. Well, hello, water bugs. Ugh. Ugh.